Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to do this easy braided bun in less than 2 minutes. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face, but obviously this is optional. Then we're just going to divide the hair in half at the nape of the neck and just put each half into a regular 3-strand braid, making sure that you secure the ends with a clear elastic band. So once you've got the right hand side done, just do the same braid on the left hand side. So now I'm just going to take my fingers and make a hole through the top of the right hand braid. Then I'm going to grab the ends of the left hand braid, pass them to my fingers and pull them all the way through that hole. Then we're going to repeat on the opposite side, so pop your fingers through the top of the left hand braid, grab the right hand braid, pull it all the way through nice and tight. Now we're going to take those ends and bring them down to the bottom and tie them in a single knot as if you were tying your shoelaces. Then bring both ends up to the top of the bun and then just join them together with a clear elastic band, only pulling the ends part way through. So we've got a little loop, and all I'm going to do is flip that little loop behind the bun that we've got at the moment, so just tuck it in and secure it with a bobby pin or two. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.